Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you exactly how I made this design on my baby's dress. As you can see, this strip of design, I actually got just 1 yard of it, and this is exactly how it looks by the time I bought it from the market. Before I start applying, I will first of all take the measurement of the front waistline. You can see I am doing it already. By the time I measure it, I will add like 0.025 or 0.25, sorry. So you can see I've measured it, so I'll cut it out from there and then cut exactly the width of my strip, as you can see on the video. This is just to show you how I inserted that bling design in front, because when I made this gown and when she wore it, a lot of people were like, where did I get the design, or how did I apply it? I actually got it from the market. You can screenshot it and take a picture of it, go to the market so you can show them exactly this type of design. And again, I am using this particular gum. This is B6000 gum. As you can see, this gum is very nice. I've been using it and it's been serving me so well. Initially I wanted to use super glue because I use virtually anything while making dress, but I said no, because I have to use this one. This gum has been serving me for ages. That is what I use when it comes to applying adhesives or trying to join two things together, and it holds it so firmly. So you can see as I am doing it, just be applying it small. You don't have to apply the gum all the way long on the design strip. I think you should take it gently. Just make sure you apply it, let me say like 2 inches in distance, okay? 2 inches in distance. And I advise it's best that when you apply this gum, allow it to stay like 30 seconds before you gum it to the surface, okay? So by the time you're applying this gum, let me say rub your gum for like a distance of 2 inch, yes, or even 3 inch, so that by the time you're applying from the initial side, then the other one will be taking time to dry up a bit. Because if you leave it to dry up a bit, let me say give it like 20 to 30 seconds, it will stick so well. It will stick so well on the surface that you are trying to apply it. So guys, that is just it. The way you are seeing me do on this video is just how I am applying it. You can see. So just look closely and make sure to follow this process exactly the way I am doing it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm sorry I did not film the tutorial video of this gown. I did not. In fact, I lost the video. But I just hope that this little one I have dropped here, although it is the finishing process of the gown, I just hope it is good enough. So thank you for supporting me on this channel. I'll be dropping more tutorials very soon, okay? Thank you. To those who are returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by. And then if you are a first time here, please do well to subscribe, do well to show me love, Thank you. I really appreciate. God bless you. Have a beautiful day today and remain blessed. Bye bye.